Just a quick video where we're up to with the software development. Here you can see the bar graph set on 4-volt range, and it's currently discharging, and I'll show you that in a second. So we can see that the sticks are all at about 15.7 volts, and I've now increased the difference resolution to the nearest 10 millivolts, and you can see it's fluctuating away. That's about the limit of the resolution of the system, 20-30 millivolts. So just moving on to the next mode, the bar graph, this is the BCM gauge mode, and here we can see packets on the top line and the battery voltage, state of charge going down. It's actually counting current out at the moment, and if you look at the amps you'll see it's minus 0.48, and that's because I've actually got the simple cycler connected to the battery, and it's discharging at about half an amp at this voltage. Temperature is only 13 degrees. So if I go over to the setup on the bench, got the BCM there with its innards, the load there, probably getting pretty hot now. Simple cycler just connected to the end, and the simple cycler here, and you can see the red LEDs on there in the cycler, so that's discharging. It's a calculated load of 500 milliamps. So if I just change the simple cycler mode, and we'll just go to mode 1, which is activate the charge. So we've got the green LED on now, so we'll go back to the display, and you'll see that it's now indicating current as plus 0.29, and there 300 milliamp output power supplies. That's about as accurate as that's going to get, and that's just using the BCM. That's using the standard battery current sensor there, powered by the BCM. So it shows the potential there for having the BCM, the modified BCM, as a simple cycler controller, and with a number of other functions as well. And it'll count current in as well, so this current would obviously, the state of charge would obviously creep up here if we were to leave that connected for any length of time. So that's where we are at the minute, just tweaking with the software and continuing with the development. This is the simple cycler mode, but it's not active yet, doesn't control anything yet. I need to add some opto couplers to the printed circuit board in the BCM and reprogram the simple cycler to act as a dumb slave with a basic voltage check to stop it operating when it's not connected to the battery. So that's the plan at the minute. I'll go back to the bar graph, just hold that in, and that's where we are with the bar graph at the minute. Oh, just one final thought. The printed circuit board schematic is now with my printed circuit board layout chap, so hopefully getting that laid out in the next few days, and hopefully I'll get that sent off to get the first stage or the first printed circuit board done, so I can then do some more testing in earnest with the optocouplers and everything all on the same printed circuit board.